So we're here today to tell you about a new product that we have in stock, which is a locking set for the ePropulsion Spirit. It's actually got a pretty cool story behind it. It was invented by a gentleman in Austria who couldn't figure out a good way to lock his Spirit. He was sick of having to take a cable lock on and off every time, and he ended up designing this product. So it's a 3D printed lock set. There's one for the battery and one for the motor. And what's unique about this lock set, opposed to using a cable lock, is that you can use your motor while it's all locked up. You don't have to lock it and unlock it when you go to use the motor, or you go to leave your motor at a dinghy dock or something like that. So these are 3D printed. They're made from a high quality plastic. The locks themselves are stainless steel, and the locks actually have this little black cover on it that will move when we insert the key, but that helps prevent water from getting inside of the locks. So we'll show you how to use them. The one for the battery is really straightforward. Just pop it right on top of the handle. Put our key in. You can see it'll push back that little black cover. Turn our key, and we're all locked up. So you can see now this can't raise up, and someone can't remove the battery from the motor. Now the other one for the motor, a little bit trickier to put on, but nothing terribly difficult. First, you want to tighten your Spirit so that these two blue knobs are kind of pointing towards each other, like we have there. And then you'll see on one side, the left-hand side if you're looking at it, there's a slot, and then this cutout on the other side. So first we're going to insert the blue knob into the slot, and then we're going to fold this other one out a little bit, line it up. You might need to adjust a little bit here, and then push that in. Once that's pushed in, we're just going to turn the lock, just going to bring that lever down, and then we're all set there. So you can see, can't take that off, can't loosen those bolts, and now your Spirit is all locked up, safe and sound, and you can use it at the same time. We have these in our online store. We'll link them below. They've been pretty hard for us to keep in stock, so if you're interested, we recommend purchasing one sooner rather than later. And if you have any questions on these, feel free to leave them in the comments below.